What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back. You might have heard me say quite a few times now that this car is rather loud. So we're going to try and fix that today. We've got a new back box. It's an M2 Performance back box. I'll leave the links down below. We currently have the Malian exhaust back box, and don't get me wrong, I love it. It sounds sick, but with the straight through system, it just is a bit loud. So we're going to get this one on today. There's a lot bigger chamber. I'll show it you properly when we get out of the car. It should quieten it down. So we're going to get round to Richard's, whip the Malian one off, get the new one on. She's still got the stalling issue, so we'll see how she starts. Come on, baby, come on. Hello. And we're in. Let's have a look at this exhaust.
So bad. I like an exhaust with a box in it.
Whoosh. That looks nice. Looks nice, that, doesn't it? Oh, shiny! Oh. Would you look at that?
Look at them welds.
So here's the new exhaust. I'm hoping that because this chamber, would you call it? Chamber? We'll call it a chamber. Because this is a lot bigger than what's on Le Malian. I'm hoping it's just going to baffle it a lot more and it'll be a lot quieter. Still sound good, but more usable. So here it is, M2 Motorsport muffler. That's what it is. It's an M2 Motorsport muffler. It says motorsport, it's what race people use, so yeah, it does look very nice. Oof. Oh, I'm excited. As I said, I do really like the Malian exhaust, but with the rest of the system, for me anyway, for what I want it for, it just is a bit loud. It sounds good though, it sounds so good. Proper rowdy it is. Rowdy. That's why we're changing. Should I say it? Shouldn't be too hard. Richard's had a little special delivery for this boy. I'm going to pop her open. Are you excited?
I'll open it, it'll be like a double-ended dildo.
Oh, I see some words. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
Better be right ones.
It's like Christmas all over again.
Isn't it? Look at that.
So what's the plan with these? What's occurring?
These are going in that,
In that boy?
In that boy, once I get some of the
yeah, she's yeah, undergoing a bit of surgery at the minute. Aye. New wheels though.
New wheels,
What are they? Watanabes.
Watanabes, aye.
So what are you aiming for with these?
350.
I actually can't imagine what that number's like in one.
No, it isn't that. I mean, they're a bit of a handful as they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, so
350 brake horsepower.
Brake
horsepower. In the M. Nah.
Well, yeah, but
Whoa! That got pop and bang map?
pop and bang that, mate.
Right, let's get his horsey boy on. Should be an easy job. Couple, 3 hangers and a couple bolts. What could go wrong? I'm pushing it, aren't I? This new one clean.
Come on. You get it. It's one off.
Get out of it. She's hooked.
But she's stuck.
She's stuck.
I think
Boom.
boom. That's how you do it.
It's a sad day. Because I love the Jap can look. You know, it's like, bah! But needs must, I suppose. You like the new one more? As I was saying, this chamber, as we named it, is a lot bigger than what it is on there. A lot bigger.
That's a bucket.
Yeah, and if you can see inside it, there's not really much going on in there. You can't really see inside it, but yeah, it's just there's nothing in there. It's just a big peep, really. So I'm hoping this one, we're going to get it on. It's going to be a lot more usable, a lot more neighbour friendly, a lot less asbo. So it's on. quite easy, that, didn't it? Went quite well. See, it looks weird now to me, that, because I'm used to seeing that massive fucking. So we're gonna let it in, see what it sounds like with the baffling, and then potentially take it out. But I remember with the Malian, and if anyone's got a Malian exhaust, you'll know that the baffle is like near impossible to get out. Don't know if this is going to be the same, but it might be staying in yet. Anyway, so. Right, moment of truth. I can't believe the difference that's made. I'm actually well happy. I'm well happy. As much as I loved the antisocial yobby exhaust, this just means that I can just use the car a lot more, go a lot more places. I'm over the moon. Over the moon. Let's have a rev. I can't believe how the difference.
Big difference there, isn't there?
Oi, 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 oi. Happy with that. We've still got the bit of leaky downpipe, but I'm buzzing. I'm gonna drive everywhere. So we've just been playing around trying to get rid of this exhaust leak on the downpipe. Mission successful? Yeah, it's a lot better. So I just wanted to see how hard this baffle were to take out, and the answer is very easy. So baffle is gone. So I'm just going to see what it sounds like without it, and then decide whether I want to put it back in or not. We'll see. Staying out. I really like that. It's not overly loud, quite deep, quite nice, isn't it? Not excessively poppy and banging. I really like it. I'm really happy. So it's staying out. much better. We're gonna go for a quick spin, see how she sounds in the wild. Not gonna lie, I'm tempted to set the roof off. Someday.
Someday I can do that.
Sounds alright, that doesn't it?
Oh, aye. He rides a lot better, doesn't he? Fuck me.
Oh yeah. Oh,
That's better, isn't it?
It's still got the same sort of sound.
Yeah.
It's just turned down a bit.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
You're just a yob now, not an angry yob. Yeah. What? You got proper turbo noise. Nice.
Yeah, happy with that. Very happy with that.
I'm happy with that.
Right, that's it. Another one bites the dust. Oh shit, my phone! Thanks again, Ricardo. You're a bloody star.
Aye.
What do you think?
I like it.
Oh, I might play with the angle one day.
Yeah, it's
See,
a bit off.
yeah.
Off centre, isn't
Might try and get it,
it?
you know.